Hello everyone, welcome to Infigyan. In this very powerful video of factorials, we are going to solve one problem from Math Olympiad. Problem is find unit digit in the sum. Given sigma n equal to 1 to 51 n factorial whole cube. So how we will solve this problem? We will first expand this sigma. So if I will expand this sigma, I will be getting 1 factorial whole cube plus 2 factorial whole cube plus 3 factorial whole cube, and then we'll write the last term, which is 51 factorial whole cube. Now let's write all the factorials which we can write, not 1 to 51. 1 factorial is 1, 2 factorial is 2, 3 factorial is 6, 4 factorial is 24, 5 factorial is 120, 6 factorial is 720, and after that 5040, 5000, and that numbers would be bigger and bigger. So important observation what we have to consider here, after n equal to 5 and more than that, our unit digit is coming out 0. This is what we can observe from the number. And before n equal to 5, that means 1, 2, 3, 4, there are numbers. So let me, because we have to find out, deal with cube only. So let me write cubes. 1 cube would be 1, 2 cube would be 8, 6 cube would be 216, 24 cube, if I will ask you, then calculator is required, 13,824. And after that, if I will write 120 cube, then that value is bigger, but one result is there. 1728 is the cube of 12 and followed by 3 zeros. Important point is always unit digit would be 0. Why? Because of 5 would be multiplied to the number 2, so that will be generated 0. Similarly, for 720, we will conclude the number 373248 followed by triple zeros. Okay, so this is how we'll find out sum. Again, this is 0. So 1 cube I will consider 1. 2 factorial cube, so that cube will contain unit digit if I will write, or the number I can write 1 plus 8 plus 216 plus 13,824 plus number and up to the last number. So this last section I will put into one basket where unit digit would be 0. Unit digit 0. So the total sum will coming, that would be from only the beginning 4 numbers n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's write unit place number from n equal to 1 to 4. So that number is 1 plus 8 plus 6 plus 4. After that, unit digit 0. Unit digit 0. So once I will add 0 with all the numbers, so this will give us 9. 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 6 15, 15 plus 4 19. So unit digit must be 9. This is how we will find out. I hope you like this video. This question was from Olympiad and question was very good. So I picked it up. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. We'll meet tomorrow with new concept, new logic.